Hey guys, we received this COOFANDY men two-piece linen outfit, beach button-down shirt, casual loose pant set for test and try. So it comes in a nice pack, and let me just open this and show it to you. So basically, it's a two-piece set with a, trouser and the button jacket or the top. So this can be used on a beach or in the summer. It's for the summer clothing thing, and a nice set, a combined one. So it's a good, nice, comfortable fabric, and this is the button-down top shirt. So overall, is a looks like more comfortable and good for the summer. So after wearing, this really fits nice, and then feel cool too, like lightweight, and then a good fit. Is a loose fit thing, so it can be used as a night suit or in the beach as a summer clothing. So this have pockets, so it's good as a trouser, and then a nicer button set.